So next up, guys, just gonna do a quick video. It's the 1999 JLG 600S telescopic boom lift. I'm here with Don. He's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a good demo. There's right up there. It does have a Deutz diesel motor, 6,350 hours or so, just a little bit under. Gonna take it forward and reverse here. Show you do that. He'll raise it up here in a second. Turns both ways. Tires have real good tread. They are air tires. Deutz diesel, real good sounding motor. Tip the basket for you. Twisting the basket both ways. They do use these daily. He's telescoping it out there. This side so you can see it. But they use these lifts daily, so they've been in working order. This would be 360-degree continuous turntable rotation. Pull it back up here and park it so it's out of the way, but there's the little demo, guys. 1999 JLG 600S telescopic boom lift. So guys, auction time at 0:20.